Introducing the powerful adhesive sealant mud. Easily seal any hole or water leak in your home. Once it dries, it becomes rock solid. Don't wait, get yours now. Link in bio. This is a portable packet sealer. With its help, you can seal any packet and protect items from spoiling. This gadget is very useful and economical. Get yours now. Say goodbye to thick or ingrown nails with this powerful nail cutter. Made from top-quality stainless steel, it's built to last and gives you a comfortable, easy grip. Click the link in the bio to get yours now. This is the heavy furniture lifter and mover. With its help, you can easily move any heavy furniture or items from one place to another. It's a very useful gadget. Link is in the bio. This is the cheapest inflatable table sofa. It can be inflated in seconds without a pump, lightweight and portable. You can easily take it anywhere, for camping or a picnic, and enjoy its comfort on the go. Order yours now.